There are literally three main types of cross-contaminations: food to food, equipment to food, and food to people. That's crazy, right? I'm going to share with you 1-minute cross-contamination cleaning tip that's going to help you to keep everyone healthy, happy, and safe. So let's dive right in. If you're new here, my name is Amber, and tip number 1 is you want to make sure that you have a color-coded system. So that just means you're using your green cloth for the kitchen, blue for the bathroom, yellow for the surfaces. Not putting and mixing them together as you clean is going to be a game changer. And to maximize the use is you want to fold your cloth into 4 squares and then clean that way. This will prevent cross-contamination as well. Now, to take it to a whole nother level and get the most use out of your cloth, you're going to want to use the 8-sided method. And you can check it out in this video on how to use it and how to maintain and properly care for your microfiber cloth. And so if you're cleaning a high risk area, you want to make sure that when you're using all sides of the cloth, that you toss the cloth out and you grab a new one. It's so important because you don't want to spread more germs onto other surfaces by using the same cloth that's already highly contaminated. Last but not least, is only use enough product on your cloth that what you need. Don't oversaturate the cloth, because at that point it kind of takes the use of using it. Now, the cool things about these cloths is they're absorbent, but still keep in mind, only use the amount of product you need. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. My question to you would be, what are you doing to help prevent cross-contamination while cleaning in your house? Go ahead and leave that in the comment below. We want to make sure we're starting these conversations, spreading education, love, and knowledge so that we're keeping everyone happy, healthy, and safe. So in the meantime, check out our next video. You know you want to. So I'll check you out in the next video. So stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.